Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions because the ability to cancel depends on your role. Open the meeting in the Outlook desktop app and check whether you are an attendee, a delegate, or have mailbox permissions. If you are just an attendee, you cannot cancel for everyone. Instead, request organizer action. Once you confirm delegate or send as rights, proceed to the calendar item. Make sure to note the organizer and any resource mailboxes linked to this meeting before taking further steps. Now perform the cancellation with care. As a delegate, open the organizer's calendar, locate the event, and choose Cancel Meeting rather than simple Delete. This ensures notifications go to attendees. If Cancel Meeting isn't available, delete while selecting the option to send updates and compose a message explaining why you are canceling on the organizer's behalf. Once done, double-check recipient list and include alternative contact or reschedule suggestions so attendees understand next steps and how to follow up. Finish by verifying that the cancellation reached everyone and that the event is removed from attendees' calendars, including any resource mailboxes. If some clients still show the meeting, resend a manual email and instruct recipients to delete the event locally. Make sure to audit the organizer's sent items to confirm the cancellation was sent. This proves action taken. If you cannot cancel due to permission errors or exchange problems, contact IT immediately and provide event details so they can perform the cancellation server-side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.